Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by confirming Edge is updated and that you have either a VPN account or a plan to use a free extension. Open Edge, click the three-dot menu, then choose Extensions to enable extension installs. Once done, click Get Extensions for Microsoft Edge to open the store. Make sure to allow storefront permissions so Edge can download and install. Start searching for a reputable VPN by name or type, VPN, and prepare to review ratings and permissions before installing. This avoids unnecessary access requests later. After choosing a VPN extension, inspect permissions, ratings, and number of users to assess trust. Click Add to install, confirm any permission prompts, and wait for Edge to show the extension icon. Once the extension appears, pin it to the toolbar for quick access. Open the extension pop-up, sign in with your VPN credentials, or create an account if required, then choose a default server or enable automatic location selection. Make sure to toggle any kill switch or leak protection options. The extension provides for safer browsing. To finish, connect to a VPN server and verify your IP and location have changed using an IP check tool. This confirms encryption is active. If the extension fails to connect, make sure Edge isn't blocking background activity, then restart the browser. Once restarted, re-enable the extension and try a different server. If problems persist, disable other conflicting proxies or security extensions, reinstall the VPN extension, and sign in again. Contact the VPN provider's support with logs if you still see failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.